Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, today we will learn some rules of divisibility which are very important for the factors. Student, first we will learn the rule of divisibility of 2. This rule is the digit in the units place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. Here we have some numbers. You will check only the number at units place value. If these numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. First we have 0, so this one is divisible by 2. Next we have 8, so this one is also divisible by 2. Next we have 3, this one is not divisible by 2. Next we have 9 at units place value, so this whole number will not divisible by 2. Next we have 5, so this whole number will not divisible by 2. Next we have 4, so this whole number will be divisible by 2. Now here we have the rule of divisibility of 3. This is the sum of the digits in the number are divisible by 3 or the multiples of 3, then this number will be divisible by 3. Multiple means the number we got by multiplying that number with all the natural numbers, or by you can got the multiple by counting the table of that number if the number is smaller. Here we have number 3, so we will count the table to check the multiples. First we will, according to rule, we will add all the numbers of the digit, and here we got the sums. When we add these numbers, we get these. The sums are 14, 11, 13, 12 and 15. So if these numbers are countable in the table of 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. Yet let's check from first number. 14 is not in the table of 3 or not a multiple of 3, so this whole number is not divisible by 3. 11 is also not a multiple of 3, so this one number is not divisible by 3. 13 is not a multiple of 3, so this whole number is also not divisible 3. Next we have the sum of these numbers 12. 12 is the multiple of 3, yes, 3 4s are 12, so this number is a multiple of 3. This number is multiple of 3, so this whole number will be divisible by 3. At last we have 15. 15 is a multiple of 3, so this whole number will be divisible by 3. Next we have the rule of divisibility of 4. Student, this rule is very easy. You will check only the last 2 digits. If these 2 digits are the multiple of 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Check the last 2 numbers at the 1st and 10th place value. Here we have 32, yes, 4 8 the 32, this one is multiple of 4, so this whole number will be divisible by 4. 21 is not a multiple of 4, so this number will not divisible by 4. Next we have 14, 14 is not a multiple of 4, so this whole number will not divisible by 4. Next we have 16, is 16 comes in the table of 4, yes, 4 4s are 16, so this whole number is divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12, it's the multiple of 4, so this whole number is a divisible by 4. Next we have 24, 4 6 are 24, so this one is multiple of 4, so this whole number will be divisible by 4. Students, next we have rule of divisibility of 5. Student, the number end with the either 0 or 5. Only you will check the last number at one's place value. If it is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5, and with all other numbers the number will not be divisible by 5, only with 0 and 5. Here these two numbers have 5 and 0, so these two are divisible by 5, and these two not have either 0 or 5, so these two will not divisible by 5. And for the rules of divisibility of 6, we have to revise the rule of 2 and 3. If the number will be divisible by 2 and 3 both numbers, then the number will completely divisible by 6. Let's check these numbers with both rules, first with 2 and then with 3. In two rules we will check only the unit place value number. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then this number will be divisible by 2. Yes, this will, here we have 2, so this number is divisible by 2. For 3 we will got the sum of these numbers, and then we will check if it is a multiple of 3, then this number will be divisible by 3. We got 21. Here when we add these numbers we got the sum 21. 21 is the multiple of 3. 3 7 the 21. So this one is also divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by both numbers 2 and 3. So this one is also divisible by 6. For this number is divisible by 2. But when we got the sum of these numbers, here we got 22. 22 is not a multiple of 3, so this is not divisible by 3. So this number will not divisible by 6, because we have the number that is divisible by both numbers 2 and 3. This one can be divisible by 2 but not with 3, so this one will not be divisible by 6. Students, next we will learn some more rules of divisibility, then we will solve all the questions related to these rules. But for today you will solve the question related to the multiples. You know very well the multiples can got by the multiplying that number with natural numbers or by counting the tables of that number. So you will solve the multiple questions in exercise 3A on page number 38. You have question number 4, 5, 6 and 8. You will solve these questions. Inshallah we will meet in our next lecture with some more rules of divisibility. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.